The Hinyotrep Youth Council met the Deputy Commissioner of Southwest Khasi Hills District, T. Lingwa, yesterday requesting the district administration to take strong action against drugs in Southwest Khasi Hills District. Speaking to media after the meeting with the DC, HYC President, Southwest Khasi Hills, Arbok Kharjarin, said that it is high time for the district administration to take measure to control drugs in the district. The HYC has also demanded that the DC should intervene with the police department in strengthening the anti-narcotics task force so that the district can combat against drug menace.
Ya ka police department joka Southwest district berkoi na du karanikor PS ka makurat PS berkunjuru ka di office USP bagi dai ban pentlan ya kini ki anti narcotic task force ki badai tawan pek ya kini ki kamtame on drug ngila kerpat ngila kentui ibe bentuk problem but ni tu ni ong ri ibau de bentuk halat komno ba ka jingru ju ni drug ka jele pa na ka tau ti ulai tu ngi ba kolong ka plat ban le tai kam dai ka nakale ka seng kerpat juri ngila tawaru ni iba ide ban penbor ya ka sia ka dia ka ipulet juga district bagi dia ban apa hara hamal ki jaka kamtame kini ki jaka rong jaka mi apa ka district jungi